Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Today, I'm going to show you something a little different. I was lucky enough to have Ann at anon.co to send me the Tecsun H-501x, and then just recently she sent me the little boy, the PL-330. Now these are the same vintage. There's another model in between it. Maybe she'll send me, which is the 990. So what we're going to do in this video, and I'm going to have several videos on this radio. I've already reviewed this one. I'm going to do some more shows on it, showing you it in operation. But we're going to concentrate on this one, and we're going to compare these two radios. Now they're quite different, and they're quite different in price. So we're going to use the box to start with. And on the box, like here, shows you the features. This one, the features are on the bottom and are even smaller. So I'm going to be struggling a little bit to show you this. And I'm going to move the box up closer, but I want to keep, well, I'm kind of there. I want to keep this in the screen. So let me move the camera a little bit. Then we can move the box up a little bit. Then we can move the camera down a little bit. And that's about close as I can get with this setup. Okay, I have a sheet here of features. And this sheet, it's a checklist that was made up by myself and my viewers. We did this about a year ago, of all the possible things you would want in a shortwave radio. So I'll show it to you briefly, show you part of it. The band, various bands, various features. And so we're going to go through the box, and if it shows on the box that it has this feature, we'll give it a check mark. And then in subsequent videos, I actually will be showing you the features. I've already shown you the features, not all, because there's many features of this radio. This is the H-501x. So let me get my pen. We're going to go down the second column here, which is the 501x, using this. Now, the first icon, it just says World Band. Now, I'm going to go by memory, but I'm sure it's got the AM band, so I'm going to give it a check. It's got the FM band, I'm sure of that. It's got shortwave band, I'm sure of that. Now, I'm not positive that the 501 has the air band, and I don't see any icon that points that out. No, I don't see any. So I'll have to go back and check on that one. Long wave, I don't know. Yes, the 501 does have long wave. You have to get to it a little roundabout. Single sideband mode, it has single sideband mode. It shows it right there. It has synchronous detect, which I don't think is on my list, because this was back before synchronous detect was showing up on a lot of radios. So I'm going to put this down on the bottom, add to it. Number 36, sync detect. And I know both of these radios have that. I know that. External antenna, yes, has that capability. Again, there's some details about what band you can hook up an external antenna for. Earphone jack, yes. The earphone jack is providing stereo speakers. This one has stereo speakers. That one I know doesn't. Telescopic antenna. Yes, it has a big telescopic antenna. We can compare the length of the telescopic antenna later. Does a telescopic antenna swivel? Yes. Does it have a kickstand? This one I've shown you has that wire kickstand. So that one does. The PL-330 does not have a kickstand. Local DX switch, I'm not sure. Digital readout, definitely a digital readout in this. Big digital readout. I'm going to put a question mark on the local DX switch, which sometimes is called something else. Got digital readout. DSP tuning, which means muting my tuning. Yep, they both got that. Fine tuning. Yes, this has a fine tuning knob right there. That one, I don't believe it does. We will find out. Multiple bandwidth. Yes, they both have multiple bandwidths. MP3 player. This has an MP3 player. The PL-30 does not. Does it record? No. So, no. Equalizer. I don't think so. Direct tuning. Yes. Via the keypad. Yes. Memory storage. A lot of memory storage. Let's see what this box says. This one says 3,150. I'm going to write that number down. And then it's broken down by there's so many in each band. Auto scan. Yes. ATS. Yes. Auto scan ETS or ETM. Yes. Power by battery. Absolutely. I don't remember. Does it say on here what kind of batteries it uses? I think they're pretty big batteries. I'll have to check to see if they're the 850. Okay, battery, yes. AC adapter. Yes, this one has an AC adapter. The 330, no. Okay. Tuning knob versus buttons. Yes. And what I mean there is, does it physically have a knob to tune versus using an up-down tuning button? They both have tunings. Price. Now here's a big differential. The price of this one is $298. The price of the 330 is $64.24. This is at Anno-Co. Big difference. Nope. I have both of them are brand new. Size. Well, I'll show you in a second. Portable. Yes, but neither one of them has a carrying handle. So I'm going to actually, it's a yes, but. Okay. A handle. Oh, I got it down next. Handle. Nope. Squelch control. I believe both of them have squelch control. Bluetooth. Now, let's see. Does it have a Bluetooth? I don't remember. Oh, there's the local norm switch right there. Sleep timer. I don't think I have sleep timer on my list. I'll have to add that. Sleep timer. Okay, it has that. They both have that. And let's see what else. LCD backlit. Yeah, it's kind of common. Turbo bass control. Line out. I don't have that on my list. List is too short. Line out. Yes, I don't know it. I'm pretty sure it's no on the other one. Yeah, 18650. I was right about the battery. And what is interesting is I don't remember. Oh, no, it's bandwidth. I don't remember if it had Bluetooth or not. I thought it did. I'll have to check on that too. Okay, so let's go to the little guy here. Again, $300, $65. Going back to the top, we have AM band, FM band, shortwave band, air band. I don't think so. Well, I have to check on it. Well, I got the manual right here. We can check on that. I remember you're not too good anymore. Where, I think it says in the back here. Okay, let's look it up. Shortwave, medium wave, long wave, no airband. No airband on either one of them. So that's a no, and that's a no. Long wave, they both have long wave. They both have single sideband mode. They both have external antenna connections. Now they're different. We'll get into that later. They both have an earphone jack. They both are stereo on the earphone jack. Stereo speakers. On this little guy, no. Nope. No way. Telescopic antenna, yes. Swivel antenna, yes. Kickstand. On this guy, this does not have a kickstand. This should have a kickstand. It doesn't. No. So you have to provide your own stand if you want to set it up like this. Local DX switch. Let's see. Looks like that's a no. So that's a no. Digital readout, yes, but it's very readable, but it's much smaller. The other thing is, well, I'll get into it later. DSP tuning, yeah, afraid so. Muting, fine tuning, yes, it has fine tuning. Multiple bandwidth, yes. MP3 player, no. Recorder, no. No. Equalizer, no. Direct tuning, yes. That's a check mark. Memory storage. Okay, let's check the box here. 850 versus 3,150 on this baby. So you're paying a lot of more money, but you're getting a lot more features. Maybe they're features you don't care about. Maybe 850 storage locations for your frequencies is way more than you need. Not to mention 3,000. ATS function, yes, yes. Battery. Now, this, as I said, uses the 18650 battery. Unique battery. It's not C cells, D cells, or anything like that. So it's a unique battery. Guess what? This uses a unique battery. It's a cell phone battery. I'll show it to you in a minute. Tuning knobs versus buttons on both, yes. Size, portable on both. A handle, no handle on either. Squelch control, I'd have to check that. Bluetooth, I don't think this has Bluetooth either. I'm surprised it doesn't. Nope, I don't see any Bluetooth. Noise reduction, no. Backlight, both of them have backlight. I missed that before. Kickstand on this, no kickstand on this. So that's kind of a quick overview comparing these two radios, just as far as features. We'll have to get into how well the features work. If there's differences between the two, we'll get into that in another video. So this is just kind of an introductory video. Let me show you the radio. I know you've seen it many times on other channels. Here it is. Get up close. Really, I mean, it really looks professional. These seams and everything are really good. Comes with, now, it comes with this case. If you got one like last year or early this year, it comes with a pouch. This is a zippered case. Much better. And it comes with a charging cable, because I'm going to show you the battery in a second. Used to charge that battery. And the typical earbuds. Okay, let me show you the battery, and then we'll wrap up this show. So put your finger on here, and you break your fingernail. And there it is. There's the battery. Got it upside down. It's a PL-5C. It's a very popular battery, but you're probably not, you might find it at your local gas station if you're going across country, but I doubt it. And the other thing I'm concerned about is the capacity of this battery. How long is it going to run this radio? And I will do a test of that. Okay, I think I'm going to wrap it up. See what, set that down. We're up to, I don't know, probably up to 20 minutes. I can't see it on my camera. I like to keep my shows under 20 minutes, so we're going to wrap it up. If you have any questions about any of these features, because I'm most likely not going to go over every one of these, please leave a comment, and I will go over a feature that is important to you. That's it. Thanks for watching. I want to thank Anna for sending me these radios for review. I'm fairly impressed with them. I've used this one a lot. I'm very impressed with the H-501x, and this could be the radio to start with or to use as a carry radio. It's got a lot of features, and if the quality is good and reception is good, if it doesn't have a lot of problems. Now, this is the latest version of the firmware. 2 or 3 firmwares before this one had some bugs. So this is the very latest version, and I will give you the version number. It's 3306. There's a 3305 and then a couple of numbers before that. This is the latest 3306. So all the bugs should be fixed. We'll see. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe. Bye-bye.